Hi there, students. Maladroit. But the problem is, I wouldn't say it maladroit. I'd say maladroit, as they say it in French. And I've looked in all sorts of dictionaries, but all of them say maladroit. But this is a pure French word, so for me, maladroit. Yeah? Let's see, maladroit means clumsy, awkward. Yeah? When you've got three left hands and no right hand, and you're not very skilled at doing things. Yeah? Or maybe if you're clumsy, you handle situations badly. That means you're maladroit. Yeah? I always bungle things, and that's why they sometimes say that I am maladroit. He dealt with the situation maladroitly. Okay, maladroitly. You're going to find most English and American people saying maladroitly. But let's see. What I always learned is if you can pronounce a French word in English with the French pronunciation, that's the posh way of doing it. That's the RP way of doing it. But I just in internet I hear maladroit all over the place. Anyway, sorry, let's go on. So his maladroitness led to people laughing at him. Yeah, you're unskilled in movement, unskilled in behavior, in your actions. So he was very maladroit in his reply to the criticism that had been made about him. He dealt with the client in a very maladroit way, and his boss criticized him for it. You need to be subtle and careful and clever, not maladroit, not tactless, insensitive. Yeah? So, when writing in English, it's very difficult to do this dexterously, and it's very easy to write a maladroit essay. Yeah, so something that's maladroit, it's characterized by clumsiness. It's awkward. It doesn't feel natural. It's not adroit or adroit, which is the opposite. So maladroit, adroit. Maladroit, awkward, without grace, without skill. Yeah, to me the pronunciation maladroit sounds like that it lacks grace. It lacks performance. It's awkward. It's clumsy. It doesn't sound right. Okay, so he dealt with the press interview in a very maladroit way. Yeah, very clumsily, very awkwardly. He bungled it. He was cack-handed. Yeah, he was unskillful with it. He was all thumbs. Yeah, he bungled it. He was very tactless and undiplomatic. Yeah, if you want to persuade people to do things for you, you need to be adroit. I do hear adroit. Not maladroit. You need to be very skillful at doing it. Okay? So, maladroit, clumsy, awkward, inept. Yeah? Not very skillful at doing things. The teacher dealt with the problem in class in his typical maladroit fashion. Yeah, he dealt with it maladroitly. Okay, so formality, maladroit, maladroit. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as for origin, this comes directly from French. Mal, bad, badly. Adroit, adroit, skillful. So badly skilled. Yeah, so not skillful at all, because adroit is skillful and good at things. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Maladroit, maladroit.